Welcome to this video, in which you will learn how to enable the double opt-in feature in the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Pro plugin. Before we begin, please subscribe to the Zetamatic channel and press the bell icon to never miss any future videos. We're assuming you already have the WooCommerce and WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Pro plugins installed. Then, go to the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Plugin Settings page by clicking on the Newsletter Discount option here. Check that you have enabled the plugin and completed the other settings. Then, in the MailChimp configuration settings, ensure that you have entered the MailChimp API key, selected the audience list, and completed all of the other settings. Check that you have completed the pop-up setups as well. If you wanted to make changes to the coupons, go to the coupon settings page. Now we'll enable the double opt-in feature, so return to the MailChimp configuration page and check the box to enable double opt-in. Then, under the Generate Webhook section, click here to generate a webhook on your MailChimp account. You can check your MailChimp account to see if the webhook has been added or not. To check, go to Audience, All Contacts, Settings and then Webhooks. And you can see that the webhook was successfully added. The plugin itself can tell you whether or not the webhook has been added. To test in the plugin, enter your website's URL in the Validate Webhook field and check the status. Then save the changes. Let's put the double opt-in feature to the test by filling out the pop-up. Because we enabled the double opt-in feature, it is now displaying a message to confirm subscription. Following confirmation, the plugin will send the discount email containing the coupon. As you can see, we have received the email asking to confirm our subscription. The plugin will now send the discount email after confirmation. As you can see, we received the email with the discount. This is where the double opt-in comes in handy. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section below. More information about these changes can be found in the plugin documentation. Please like and share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the Zetamatic channel to see more video tutorials like this. Thank you for your time.